And today I'll show you how to make a simple paper boat. So please, let's start. First we need to make the A4 size paper into a square. So we'll fold like this. And cut this. So after we have cut this, we'll open this and fold it to the other side. And again fold this to the other side. And then we will take 3 folds. 2 here. And the last other fold to the another side, and then just keep your 2 fingers like this. Then we'll take this to here. After completing that step, we'll take slowly the 2 sides of that fold and open it slowly, and then we'll just press the center of the boat and again try to open it slowly and press it like this and open it, and your boat is ready. Enjoy playing with your boat.